What's up? It's your boy Majestic. I'm getting ready to take you out of church up in this piece, you heard? Here we go, check it. There will be mountains that I will have to climb, and there will be battles that I will have to fight. Whether victory or defeat, it's up to me to decide. But how can I expect to win if I never try? I just can't give up now. I come too far from where I started from. Nobody told me that the road would be easy, but I don't believe he brought me this far to leave me. Never said there wouldn't be trials. Never said I wouldn't fall. Never said that everything would go the way I wanted to go. When my back is against the wall and it seems like hope is gone, I just lift my head up to the sky and say, help me to be strong. Whoa, I just can't give up now. I come too far from where I started from. Nobody told me that the road would be easy, but I don't believe he brought me this far to leave me. Whoa, I know he didn't bring me out here to leave me lonely. Even when I can't see clearly, I know that you are with me, so I just can't give up now. I come too far from where I started from. Nobody told me that the road would be easy, but I don't believe he brought me this far to say you don't believe he. No, don't believe he brought that up. Don't believe. Don't believe he brought. Hey, don't believe he brought. Yeah. Don't believe he brought. You don't believe he's brought me this far to leave me. Anyway, check it. Y'all keep your heads up out there, you know what I mean? Because adversity is just a component, you know what I'm saying, of nature, man. It's going to happen, you know what I'm saying? It's an inevitable cycle of life. We're going to go through shit. But check it, you know what I mean? It's there by design. It's designed to help us build character. You know what I mean? So when you're going through something out there, you know what I'm saying? Put that H on your chest and know that I don't believe he brought me this far